What is freedom? Is it a state of being, a concept, an ideal, or does it exist in the realm of possibility? In the labyrinth of philosophy, the notion of freedom has always been a captivating and intricate puzzle. Let's delve into the depths of this concept, starting with the idea that freedom cannot be either chance or necessity. This is because if it were so, it would cease to be freedom and become either chance or necessity. Yet, freedom has properties that are in relation to modalities in logic such as necessity and possibility. These modalities serve as the closest logical categories to freedom. The eidos, or the essence of freedom, is possibility. Freedom is the possibility that extends beyond reality. But this raises a paradox. How can freedom be real if its essence is possibility? Here, movement presents itself as an interesting example of freedom, especially free movement. Movement is the reality of possibility and change. But to consider movement as freedom, it must already be free. This brings us to a circular argument, posing the question of how the reality of freedom is possible. Is freedom real as a random free movement or as a necessity? If it's the latter, we stumble upon an oxymoron: coercive or necessary freedom. This concept is usually justified by situations of necessity and coercion, such as war or disease. If we consider peace, it seems that chance or arbitrariness is the only option left. But chance can be a manifestation of necessity or law, and this leads us to a thought that there may be no real freedom at all. This fatalistic view of freedom as a slave to necessity is in stark contrast with the concept of free necessity. Free necessity can be seen as a transient necessity, highlighting the paradoxical nature of freedom. The relationship between freedom and domination also presents an interesting paradox. Domination is often seen as the antithesis of freedom. Yet, the phrases necessary freedom and free necessity highlight the complexity and ambiguity of these concepts. In conclusion, the philosophical perspectives on freedom are as diverse as they are complex. Freedom is neither chance nor necessity. It is a possibility that extends beyond reality. Its existence is a paradox linked with the concepts of movement, necessity, and domination. Yet these complexities and ambiguities make the pursuit of understanding freedom a fascinating philosophical journey.